Welcome back, my name is Vitor, this is my humanoid robot, but today we're not talking about it. You guys like Iron Man, I like it more. So today we are building an MAN Repulsor. You know what I'm talking about. If you take a look on YouTube, you're gonna find a lot of MAN Repulsors. And the top reference here is Alex Lab with his hydrogen suit that shoots flames and explode things. It's pretty cool. I'm a big fan. We also have the Hacksmith with his lasers, his high voltage lasers. Both are awesome. I'm a big fan. But the problem is, their projects are getting a little bit too expensive and too complex. I'm here to make it simple. We're using metal scraps, an electric mosquito racket, and a water nebulizer. Well, actually, now it's a fuel nebulizer, because instead of water, we are atomizing alcohol to make a combustible mist. I gathered some scrap metal from my shop to build the fist and the bracelet of our gauntlet. The idea is to build a mini flamethrower that actually fits in the palm of your hand. And for that to work, the piezo, which is the component that vaporizes the fuel, need to sit right in the palm, while also making direct contact with the fuel. Now, I could run pipes or a hose, but that just adds more complexity and more chances of leaks. To keep it simple, we are reusing the fuel storage from our mini water vaporizer. Now, of course, the fuel won't ignite on its own. We need a spark, and that's where the electric mosquito racket comes in. With a few modifications, we can turn it into a spark generator, basically a mini taser, perfect for ignition. Both systems, the vaporizer and the spark generator, will be placed in the gauntlet's bracelet, along with the 3.3 volt and the 3.7 volt batteries. Yes, there are two batteries there. And of course I could design a single circuit to run everything off one battery, but since this is just the prototype, the goal here is to test it and see if it works first. If it does, then maybe we can move to a Mark II upgrade. Well, let me know in the comments if you would like to see that. Safety measures. The pool is 2 feet away. I can jump there if there's some problem. Okay, right. Let's go. Yeah, I think that works. I already tested outside. I'm feeling pretty confident to test it on the shop right now. Not my best idea. I don't care. It's gonna be cool. Just like Iron Man. One. Whoa! Flames. Imagine drunk doing this. Must be very cool. Flames. As I said before, I'm using alcohol for this build. Could gasoline work? Well, probably. It should work with any type of liquid fuel. Iron Man against Ultron. Cardboard Ultron. Ultron did not resist the tests. At the end, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. I also like to invite you to watch all the other projects. You might like the arc reactor build. It is the main power source of my humanoid robot. It's really cool. You should take a look on it. So I'll see you there or in the comments down below. Thank you very much for your time. And remember, this can be very dangerous, so don't try this at home. I do these experiments so you don't have to, all right?